Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana. So today I am a honey blonde. I think that is actually a perfect time to put this hair color out because even though we can't go outside, it is springtime and this hair color would be perfect for the springtime. Anyways, I hope you guys are all being safe during this pandemic. I know it sucks. Our nails look trash, my toes look trash, my hair is trash, and I just had to put up this video because I was tired of looking ugly. So anyways, this is my breakdown. If you guys are looking for like a hair growth oil, I've been using the Do Grow Mega Thick Hair Growth Oil. There's a red one and there's a blue one. I have both of them and I use them probably like 5 times a week. I try to like really oil my hair. These braids are only like 2 weeks old and it's already time for me to like get a new one because those look crusty. But anyways, thank you guys over at Eayon's Hair for sending me over this wig. So it comes with a wig cap. The stock card also comes in it. I don't think I showed that. It also comes with like additional elastic bands, and it also comes with a edge brush, which girl, I buy these things so much that I'm like, they're always dirty and I always need new ones. So yes, thank you EayonWigs for putting that in my box because I need it and keep doing it. But anyways, this is inside of the wig. It comes with a comb in the back, 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle, and it also comes with an adjustable strap. You guys need that extra security because I do feel like this is a bigger wig. Make sure you guys go ahead and sew in your elastic bands. So I'm taking my Got2b glue spray to basically spray down the front so that the hairs won't be in the way as I go to cut, because I would like my baby hairs, okay? So I'm about to go and pluck this wig. So I only started to pluck it on the sides. Like, I love how this hair wasn't as dense because sometimes these blonde wigs can come dense and I just don't like it. So I only plucked it on the sides. I'm only showing you guys how I plucked it on one side, but I did do it on the other side as well. I did not pluck the crown area because I like how the crown area looked. So if it does not need to be messed with, please do not bother it, okay? But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and cut into the lace. So you guys, I put foundation under this lace, which is why it's blended into my skin and it hasn't even been cut yet. You guys can tint it that way. And then after you do that, you can spray the Got2b blasting spray on it or any type of holding spray to lock in the moisture from the foundation. I did use a different foundation than my face that I use on my face, which is kind of a problem a little bit because it won't blend as well. I think it's actually 2 different tones. So make sure you guys are using like the same foundation as your face. Also, make sure you guys are putting the foundation far enough on the lace so that it can catch in the front. You get what I'm saying? Because as you guys could see, it's a little white on the sides, and it's because I didn't bring the foundation far up enough. So please don't make that mistake that I did. Like, I knew better, but child, listen. But anyways, I'm about to use my Ghost Bond Supreme glue. You guys know I always use this glue to basically melt my lace. This is like how I do my, lace wigs and stuff like that. It's nothing different than any other video, but you guys probably want to pay attention to this because this is a blonde wig and I'm showing you guys how I'm like laying this blonde wig. So because I know that blonde wigs can be a little bit more trickier than like the black wigs.
I'm waiting to win.
guys, I had to pluck my parting. This wig came extremely dense. It's a very full wig, which is a plus. You guys know I only review full wigs from these hair companies, but because it's so full, the parting is going to be dense. So wherever you part on this is going to be extremely dense, and you're going to have to make a part for yourself, so that the foundation can peek through to make it look like you have a part. Please make sure you don't pluck a hole in it doing the most like I was. I think I did make a hole in it. I don't know. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at under the wig, because the wig, let me tell y'all, the wig is off now. I could not go to sleep in this wig. But anyways, if I pluck the hole in it, I'll let y'all know. But anyways, this is what the curly came out. The curly version, curly side came out. I like it. I really do. I think I did a pretty good job with it. Now, it does look like it's a little white on the sides, but I think it's just like the hair color. I don't think that it just looks bad. I think that's just the hair color. Because in person it's actually pretty blended into my skin. I could have done a little cleanup, but girl, I wasn't worried about no cleanup for this video. I wanted to do it straight for you guys as well, so I was just passing my flat iron through my hair, and I like it better straight. I don't know why, but I do. Tell me down below what you guys like, the curly or the straight. That's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media at _Rabiana Simone and Rabiana on Snapchat. Don't forget to check EayonWigs out. I'll list all the videos that I did previously for them before. But in the meantime, make sure you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.